In other news, Colonel Charles Jr. is breaking his silence this evening, calling for the ongoing impasse between his father, Colonel Charles, and Director of Communication in the office of the Prime Minister, Robert Morgan, to stop. Over the past weekend, a war of words erupted between the two regarding representation for the Clarendon North Central seat. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell has this primetime news follow-up.
The squabble started online on Saturday when Director of Communication in the office of the Prime Minister, Robert Morgan, made a social media post indicating he's interested in the Clarendon North Central seat. Mr. Morgan said he wants to be the JLP's representative when the current Member of Parliament, Colonel Charles, steps down.
I'm not a stranger to the constituency. I've done a lot of work, and the surveys that we have done have shown that I have a significant advantage in terms of being able to win the support of a majority of the persons.
Let me make it absolutely clear. I am the Member of Parliament at this time, and nobody has the authority of the party to campaign against the Member of Parliament in any constituency who has not resigned or retired.
In one of his social media postings, Mr. Morgan told the senior Colonel Charles, and I quote, "Your son has not contributed 5% of what I have to the JLP. He used to laugh at us on campus when we were fighting politics. He didn't want to take a seat in 2016 because he thought we would lose. None of us know him in G2K or Young Jamaica," end of quote. But on Monday, Colonel Charles Jr., who it is believed is being groomed for the Clarendon North Central seat by his father, dismissed the claims.
I don't intend to add oxygen to the fire. But what I do want to do is to let Jamaica know that many of the statements that have been made are completely false. Some of the allegations specifically laid about me and my involvement and what I did when I was at UWI and other things are all untrue.
Mr. Charles Jr. admits he has an interest in the seat, but said he will not apply to be a candidate before it is vacant.
I've been working with my father in his seat, with my brother, who is a brain surgeon, my sister, who is a dental surgeon, and all of my siblings, through health clinics, reading competitions, supporting students through scholarship, helping people to repair their homes, helping people who have lost their homes, helping farmers. We have been doing that, not because of politics. We have been doing that for years, and we continue to do that.
He said he does not expect it to be handed down to him as an inheritance, but sees it as the next step in serving his country. Mr. Charles Jr. says the impasse between Mr. Morgan and his father is unfortunate, saying he would rather the issue be dealt with inside the party rather than in the public.
I think it is distasteful. I think it is the type of old, antiquated politics that we as young leaders have to pull the country out of. It's the politics of my father's era, which is why he says to me all the time, be better than me.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.